My name is Tahir. I'm here today at the Abdullah Quilliam Mosque, who is hosting an event run by an organisation called Your Muslim Neighbour. They title it Mother's Day. So they run a competition amongst a series of schools in the local area, and the children within the schools submit a poster or a poem. And that poster and poem is celebrated in today's event. We're here today at the Abdullah Quilliam Society. These events normally are held across the Northwest. We've been in museums, we've been in schools, libraries, every year. We've been going for over 10 years.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah for the ni'mah. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I thank alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah for the ni'mah. Alhamdulillah.
It's quite apt being here at Abdullah Quilliam Society, because if you look at the work Henry William Quilliam did, was to look to promote Islam within local society. He had particular focus on those who are in need of help and support, as well as looking after the orphans. And the unfortunate thing is, with the orphans, whilst he was providing them with support, with food and education, one of the things he was unable to provide is what it'd feel like to have a family. So Islam has a very important aspect, is family life. It emphasizes this within the teachings of Islam. And as such, we believe that the mother is the pinpoint of the family unit. So we're here today to build bridges primarily with the local community, to recognize the posters and poems that were done by the children, but also to highlight the fact that whilst Islam doesn't celebrate one single day for Mother's Day, we tend to show the level of respect to our mothers throughout the whole year, and that's what we want to emphasize today. So we've had a lot of people who are non-Muslim who've come through the door, as we have every year, and the feedback we've been getting is the fact that it's been really good to speak to Muslim people, just to meet Muslim people, because within their own circles they don't have that opportunity. So we, as the society within Liverpool, I think we make up 1% of the city, and we need to work harder to try and build bridges with our non-Muslim counterparts.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.